Good afternoon to my brother and sister. I wish you happy Father Day. Now I'm today going is the food. He is the food town over great flight over road. I going the flyover the name of Ginger Cup. I am very have man I know going. So this much my home going today. I am Stanis Manja Langbuku Waterfall Rong Klarbong Silitogbi Village. I am one very hard and very busy. So this month I am very weak and very months I am no going. So this month I brought to my father and my brother and sister